can you believe it? We're on number 22 and 23 of Big and Little. All I got with these today was my books and some new, I think that's new blush, and I think this is new, is it Sky? Sky or River or something, I can't remember. So let's get them out of the packet and get the crinkling over and done with before we do anything else. Oh, it smells like crinkly stuff. So yeah, I think we've got the blush and the blue, the soft blue. Gosh, that looks gorgeous, that jumper. So number 22 is style statements. So we're all about clothing then, I guess, on this one. Little chevron clutch bag. I quite like the idea of crocheted bags. There was a big thing about crochet bags. I think Versace made a crochet bag or someone. Last year I made quite a few. A beaded cuff. I don't think I'd use that, but using beading's quite... I definitely wouldn't use that, but it might be nice for like around a bottle or something, that. Floral medallion scarf. Lined arch stitch. Oh yeah, I know what that is. That's useful for bags and things. Tiered frill skirt. Quite like that, it's pretty. Retro twisted headband. I can see some people might wear that, not me. Pico cropped cardigan, that's beautiful, isn't it? It'd be nice if you carried on with it as well. I like that very much. And that jumper is gorgeous. Pointed hem sweater. There was a big debate on Facebook the other day about why they're called jumpers and not sweaters in some places, and I think it just concluded that jumper is a northern word and sweater is a southern word. Certainly when I was a kid, posh people said sweater and we said jumper. Yeah, that's really nice. I like that. What's it made with? Can't even read it. That's lovely. A slip stitch cardigan, that's nice. Nice little top. And how to block. Yeah, that's useful. Knowing how to block. And then 12 petal hexagon is our next hexagon. I really need, I was going to do my sewing together video, I haven't done it yet, edging and sewing together, but I had a bit of a trauma at Christmas again, so just got totally sideswiped, but yeah, so this is sky blue, and that's what you need for this, sky blue and teal by the looks of it. Yeah, sky blue and leftover teal. That looks pretty straightforward, so I'll have a go at that tomorrow when I've got some daylight. Daylight's gone now for today, so I can't see a thing. Winter warmers, number 23. Let's have a look. We'll do this one back to front. We'll look at the throw first. Oh, that's a straightforward one. Straight flush hexagon. Just use the blush. Looks pretty straightforward to me, that. Right, so let's have a look at the cozy chunky cowl. That looks nice. You can't beat a nice cowl. It's just starting to get really cold here as well. Pom-pom slippers, they're so cute. My dogs would have them off my feet, quick as you like. Oversized chevron beanie, that's really nice. I might put that in the Ben's beanies for next year. Quick block mesh, that's really handy. Again, that's really good for bags. hot water bottle cover, that's good. Yeah, I might make myself one of those. Child's hooded jacket, that's cute. A tartan effect dog coat. I need a dog coat in my life. I've got 9 dogs at the minute. That's gorgeous. Wouldn't mind making that. Oh my goodness, look at that snowflake blanket. I did make a snowflake blanket from Mikey from Red Yarn. Navajo, that's a nice sweater, that, isn't it? Really unusual. I like that. And then buttonholes too. I think we've learned how to make buttonholes before, so this is obviously a different way to do it. Handy to know. And the throw pieces. So that looks fabulous. I don't know what's coming next, but whatever it is, I'm sure it'll be splendid. So there, that's just a quick flick through Big and Little, and then I'll do the hexagons tomorrow. Okay, so they'll probably be uploaded at the weekend. I want to try and get back into an upload schedule. I'm going to think about my uploading, and then I'm going to do a video about my uploading schedule so people know what to expect and when. So I haven't done any crochet for a while, so I'm going to get back into once a week having some crochet on the channel, because it is my first love to crochet. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.